Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today we are in Lowe's. I'm so excited because the Christmas collection is out and they even have a Disney collection. So this is going to be good. Stay with us and see it all. The first thing I noticed when I walked into Lowe's was all the Christmas trees. They're all lit up and they are very nice. They have some frosted ones. They have some ones that are lit up. Most of them already have lights on them, which I like. That was the worst part of putting up a tree, was to put up lights. But they have different color lights and a lot of different sizes. The prices are high, but it is very good quality, so I guess you get what you paid for. I'm going to show you a lot of them, but I'm not going to show you every single one. If you want to go in there, you can look. And I have some of the prices right there, so you can see what they are. But this next thing, I loved this. This is a full-size Santa Claus mailbox. Now I went and I felt inside, and it's rubber or hard plastic. It was softer than I expected. It was almost like a foamy top. I'll show you right here. I'm going to put my hand in there. I expected it to be a little bit harder, but it was very nice. I loved that. So once I got past that, I got back to the trees, and here they are, 648. That's a lot for a Christmas tree, if you ask me. Gosh, I bought 3 of them, and I didn't pay anywhere near that much. That one's a nice frosted. I love the colors on that one. And the lights are over here if you just need lights and you don't need a new tree. Now, I have that Disney collection coming up. It'll be a little while, but I'm going to show you that soon, so keep watching. Next thing I'm going to show you is they had these Christmas ornament balls, and they had them in different sizes. They had them $6.98, and they have some cheaper on the other side. I like those. I wish I had some trees outside that I could put those on, because they're way too big for my tree. But I like them. You can hang them from the ceiling if you want, and they have some wrap up. And of course they have pillows. It seems like everybody has their pillows, but I like pillows. I wish I had room for more pillows, but I don't. And here is some more pillows. Very cute with anything you want. I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you some of the balls in a different size. Here they are. These are a little bit smaller, and they're $4.98. Still too big for my tree, but I do like them. And that one right there that I picked up, that was the only one I saw like that. Here are some ribbons. I'm going to show you some candy canes. There you go. Everybody seems to have those all the time. And here are some more things, some hats, pink and red. I don't know, I think I like the classic red. And then over here, what do they got? They got more balls just in place. Oh, these are the $6.98 like the other one. Now, they're going to show you some of the lights. And here you can see, I'm going to press the button. There you go. They're all lit up. Kind of nice. And then they have this other kind over here that you press the button, and they're candle lights. So that's nice too. Let's look at the wreaths. Silver. And then the ones that they look like they're greens, but they're fake, of course. Maybe they'll have some real ones later on in the year. I'm sure they will. All right, let's take a look at some of the light up stuff with lights and blow ups and inflatables. Very nice. Their collection was very good. I enjoyed looking at all of it. There's Santa, and look at that peacock. That was very different. I thought that one stood out to me the most. The prices were not too bad for those. A little on the high side, but really they were very nice. And if you like that kind of thing, this is perfect. Look at how cute that elf is with that postage stamp. He is adorable. And then over here, look at the sleigh. Isn't that cute? If you need to put it outside, it's got the packages in it. I thought it was adorable. And there is also some snowmen, which are very cute. I love Christmas. And how about a polar bear? I love him. I wish I had room for him. Here are some nice sparkly just boxes you can put near your door, in the entryway to your house, or near your tree, wherever it is you want it. And of course they have more wreaths. Everywhere there was nice different wreaths. And I think this is an octopus. I don't know. That was very different, I thought. Maybe kids would like that. And there is the flamingo in the back. Always have nice flamingos. There's the prices. And they have the typical deers. If you like to buy a deer and put them out. I know growing up we had deers. That was very nice. I loved that car. Let me tell you, I was tempted to buy that car. If I had somewhere to put it, that was really cute. The car carrying a Christmas tree. I thought that was adorable and different. A snowman, and much more. This cute dog is a little bit of Schnauzer, and I have a dog that has some Schnauzer in it. So I had to pet his little chinny chin chin. He is so adorable. And check out that airplane. That was something. Yeah, Lowe's has a very nice collection. I really like the airplane too. Here's a typical Santa Claus. Nothing spectacular. Close to Disney, here we go. I found something that is Disney. I found Olaf. There's Olaf, and I said, oh, he's Disney. And then I went, wait, I see more Disney. Wait, I see more. And I got very happy because I love Disney items. And I just kept looking, and there was more and more. A lot of inflatables, a lot of things that light up. Every single one was adorable. I wanted to take them all home. I wanted to take these lights home. Prices were not cheap. But now I'm going to let you hear the whole spiel about their stuff from Disney.
Bring the wonder and enchantment of Disney to your holiday decorating with Disney Magic Holiday. Featuring air-balloon inflatables, Lowe characters, light show projection technologies, tabletop favorites, character stockings, and more. There's something for everyone and every space, inside and out. This year's collection includes favorites like the Illumiflame lamppost and the magical motion mosaic hanging ornament, as well as new items like the Pluto tinsel yard sculpture, coordinating Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse pathway stakes and light string, the fantastic new Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse Flat-tastics yard decor that folds and unfolds for easy setup and storage, blow mold snowman characters of Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse, a Mickey Mouse Advent calendar, new Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse wallscape projection light, and the new Mickey Mouse Air Doorable that's perfect for displaying on your tabletop or mantle. Combining the latest LED technology, dazzling Disney effects, and charming design, Disney Magic Holiday offers amazing and easy solutions to make your decorating dreams come true. Mix and match to bring the magic home with Disney Magic Holiday, only at Lowe's.
That was Disney Magic Holiday for 2021 at Lowe's, and I loved it. And here are some other cool inflatables that I found. Now this was really nice. This was called the Carol Town. I had not seen this before, but if you're not into Disney, you like more classic, this was it. It was very, very nice. So take a look. Here I wanted to show you some of the prices on these items in case you were interested in purchasing them. Now, of course, I also saw all kinds of accessories and huge wreaths. So, a lot of good stuff at Lowe's. Well, this is Rockin' Robin. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good holiday. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a thumbs up. We'll have Home Depot and others coming up as soon as they're up.